Alright, what's up everybody? That was the end of my test. Unfortunately, I was unable to record it. The guy that gave the test said that I was not supposed to... Hold